Hi everyone, I was bored so I decided to do a video on what's in my fridge. It's a mini fridge, and yes, it is in my bedroom, and I've seen other people do this before, this type of video, so yep. Well, my fridge is normal small size fridge. It has a small freezer compartment, and it's normally this color pink. It's a Hello Kitty one, but since my room is sea red theme, I put this like wallpaper type of thing. That's supposed to be for lockers, but you hold it up with these magnets. And I did put some Christmas magnets on there, these cute little pink ones. So now let's open it up and see what's in here. It's mostly repeated stuff. Not really that much type of food, solid type of food, but what I have here in the door is mostly all just milk. As you can see, I have strawberries and cream flavor and chocolate flavor. But these aren't just any type of normal type of regular milks. These are protein drinks. And they're called Premier Protein. This is strawberries and cream flavors, 30 grams of protein, 160 calories. And what's good is that this is only 1 gram of sugar, so if you're diabetic, you don't have to worry about that. It has 24 vitamins and minerals, and it's low fat. And they only sell these like at Costco and Sam's Club. And I have the chocolate ones down here. And these are really good. They don't taste nasty. My doctor told me to drink these because I really need protein. I don't really eat much meat. So, and then here I have this Kraft Singles fat-free cheese, skim milk, sharp cheddar, 25 calories per slice. And then I have some more things here for protein. I don't know if you can see them, but they're 2 packs, and they're the same as this, what I have here. It's called P3 Portable Protein Pack, 12 grams of protein per pack. And it has applewood smoked ham, sharp cheddar cheese, dry roasted almonds, 190 calories per package. What it looks like on the side, cheese, almonds, and the ham. Then I have over here 3 cartons of almond milk. The Silk almond milk, original, unsweetened, 25 calories. 3 of those, because I can't really drink like dairy milk that much because I'm lactose intolerant, so I drink that. And I have this, which is really good. It's Greek cream cheese and Greek yogurt, strawberry flavor, really good. And then I have this Resolute pizza sauce and this pancake syrup and these pomegranate mango juices, 2 of those. And then I have here some string cheese. Over here is some Ocean Spray Diet Creme Pomegranate Juice, 5 calories per serving. 2 of those in the room right there. And then just behind me, one more thing. This is some turkey breast ham, or not actually ham, but turkey, yeah, for sandwiches. And that's pretty much all. I don't have anything in my freezer, but just an ice pack. There's control settings, and that's pretty much all.